All right, welcome Global FX Trade Club. Today we're going to do a quick training. Myself as well as Kirk is on here with us, and we're going to show you how to properly use our 10 pips and dip strategy. Okay, what we're looking for, guys, is we're going to start on the 15-minute time frame, and we're looking for candles to be approaching our 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is this white line. So we're going to use this as an example. So as price is coming away from the 50, we do not want to do anything with it. We're looking for price to hit a certain point and start coming towards our 50. Now, once it hit what we call support and it breaks support, you can actually put a yellow line. It's a yellow horizontal line on that candle. You also then want to place a vertical line where the 50 is pointing here. And then you want to drop down to the 5-minute chart. At this point, it's a waiting game. Here's where we marked. And all you're waiting for now is for the candles to go up. This is what we call a breach. We're waiting for a candle to fully open and close past the 50. Okay, this one did. It wicked down. Okay, but you want to probably look for a better candle, which means we're looking for blue candles. Okay, this one started up here. It could have started as a blue, but then went to a red. Right? You're looking for a candle to fully open and close past the 50. For example, this one we wouldn't use because it touched the 50. This one we wouldn't use because it touched the 50. This one we wouldn't use because it touched the 50. This one is a true open and close pass. Now this is the one we like. So this meets our number 2 criteria. The third thing we're looking for is for the next blue candle. This one is a red one. This one is a red one. Here's our blue one. This is the one we're going to get in on, and you would have taken this up almost 50 pips. Now, I want you to notice something. If we mark this candle here, okay, jump back to the 15, you'll see that it hasn't even crossed the 50 yet. Guys, we've made a lot of money and it hasn't even crossed the 50, which means there's actually more money to get once it crosses the 50, but we will lead you into that victory at a later date, right? But I did want to show you how easy it is to grab our 10 pips starting on the 15-minute chart, jumping down here to the 5, and just waiting for it to cross over our 50 moving average. Next thing we do is wait for a candle to open and close above the 50, since we're looking for a buy. The third thing we're doing is waiting for a blue candle to form. And that will be this one here, and we would ride it up. Okay. That is the end of the training session, guys. This direction, this strategy is inside of our website under the templates. So you'll be able to see this in writing as well. Thank you so much for joining. Happy trading.